The worsening economic picture is not unique to Australia. Indeed, many countries are facing considerably more challenging circumstances. More than $8 trillion has already been committed globally in economic support, with more than 100 countries going to the IMF seeking assistance. The economic shock of the world dwarfs what we have seen during the GFC. During the GFC, the global economy contracted by just 0.1% in 2009. But according to the International Monetary Fund's most recent forecast, there will be a 3% contraction in global growth in 2020. In the last 4 weeks alone, 30 million Americans have filed jobless claims, which is equivalent to almost 19% of their workforce. The extraordinary cost of responding to the crisis is illustrated by the US Treasury announcement overnight that the government plans to issue $3 trillion in debt in the 3 months to June, which is almost 5 times what was raised over the 3 months during the GFC and more than twice what was raised by the United States in all of last year. China's economy has also been hit hard, with GDP falling by 9.8% in the March quarter, the first quarterly drop on record. In Italy, France and Spain, they have also seen the largest GDP quarterly falls on record. As we cross the bridge to recovery, Australia has the advantage of having made real progress in suppressing the spread of the virus without having to resort to a full lockdown, as has been the case with other nations. Significant sectors of our economy, like agriculture, mining and construction, have been able to adapt to the new health restrictions and in most cases continue to operate. This is demonstrated by the ABS survey showing 85% of mining businesses were still operating. Reassuringly, National Cabinet has signalled that from this Friday it will assess more opportunities for easing restrictions, building on decisions already taken to date, such as around elective surgery or in some states limited gatherings and visitations. The health advice of the Australian Health Protection Principal Committee, AHPPC, is that 15 conditions precedent need to be satisfied before the easing of restrictions can be considered. These restrictions and their conditions relate to the resourcing and data analysis around testing and tracing,